This right here is the Ultra Active Smartwatch by Green Lion, a replica of the Apple Watch Ultra currently sold for 30,000 naira in Nigeria, which is equivalent to $34 as at the time of making this video. As you can see here, this watch is beautifully packaged in a white and green box and has some of its features highlighted on it. Now, without wasting your precious time, let's get right to the unboxing and quick review. Once opened, inside the box we have a transparent watch cover which can be used to protect the watch from scratches and damage. You will get a smaller pack containing the magnetic wireless charger for charging the smartwatch. We have the watch manual here, of course. There is also another smaller pack that contains 2 watch straps for the watch, 1 fabric strap and 1 silicone strap, and then the beautiful Ultra Active smartwatch. My first impression of this watch is how identical it looks with the Apple Watch Ultra. They look so much alike that if not for the inscription on this one, you can't tell them apart. It also has the push buttons for easy removal of the watch strap, which are functional by the way. Its body is made of alloy vacuum plating. It has a 2.16-inch screen with IPS 240 by 294 display resolution, which makes its visuals crisp and clear. This watch is fully packed with a lot of features. Just like most smartwatches, it has different workout modes for fitness. It has music control, Bluetooth call, heart rate monitor, functional calculator, ECG sensors, and so many other features. This watch has 350 mAh battery capacity, and when it's fully charged, it can last up to 10 days on standby time. It has Bluetooth 5.0, which allows you to connect to your smartphone easily and also allows you to receive Bluetooth calls and also control your phone camera. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please kindly tap the subscribe button now for more of my tech product reviews. Thank you. Moving on. This watch is IPX68 rated, which makes it dust and waterproof and can be worn in any weather without fear of being damaged. So if you're on a budget looking for an Apple Watch Ultra clone, I would recommend you go for this Green Lion Ultra Active smartwatch as it's built to last, packed with so many features and better than most replica watches in the market today. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.